Here are all the patches available for your pfSense box. So today I want to share something what every pfSense owner needs to do. No matter what you have, pfSense Community Edition, pfSense Plus, you need to apply patches. Start by going System, Package Manager, click on Available Packages, wait for it to load. We're going to search for patch, or specifically system_patches. And this is official package by Netgate. We're going to confirm it. Install will start. Successful. Excellent. Now we'll go to System and we should see Patches. We're going to click on that. And here are all the patches available for your pfSense box. We're going to apply all recommended patches. Obviously, you want to back up your pfSense configuration before you do that. So we're going to apply all recommended patches. Apply the patches by confirming OK. You should see applied all recommended patches, and obviously don't forget to restart your unit to apply some other pending patches. As you can see, all the patches has been applied. Some of these patches I don't have an option to revert, as you can see. And don't forget to restart your pfSense box by going Diagnostics, Reboot, and Submit Reboot. There you go. You can hear my lab pfSense box doing the initiation sound, or the whatever sound you want to call for restart. Also, very important note. Whenever a patch becomes available, a new patch, it will not show up here automatically. You have to update this package. To update the package, we're gonna go to Package Manager. We're gonna wait for it to load our available or specifically installed packages. And under, or specifically next to System Patches, right now the icon here is Reinstall. But if you see the icon, specifically this one, Update icon, specifically next to the System Patches, you'll click on that icon, it will do an update, and then you can go back to Patches. You will see new patches available, and once again you can click Apply Recommended Patches or Add Recommended Patches, and that's pretty much it. And this is how you patch your pfSense on a daily basis, I guess. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.